Magic of thinking. When approaching any problem or task, it is important to consider all angles and use logical thought processes. By considering different possibilities, ideas, solutions, and implications, one can then determine the best course of action for the given problem or task. Thinking carefully and deeply about any subject matter can lead to more effective and successful results. We talk about 10 things to think successful. Number 1. Thinking positively can bring about more happiness and success in life. Number 2. It is a skill that can be learned, practiced, and developed over time. Number 3. Thinking proactively means taking ownership of your thoughts, feelings, actions, and environment to create the best possible outcomes. Number 4. Having an optimistic outlook on life can lead to improved relationships, enhanced creativity, and higher levels of achievement. Number 5. The practice of intentional thinking can help to clarify goals, remove mental barriers, and enhance motivation and productivity. Number 6. Questioning existing beliefs and assumptions helps broaden perspective and make wiser decisions. Number 7. Knowing yourself better allows you to align your values with your choices and goals in order to create a fulfilling life path. Number 8. Problem-solving techniques such as brainstorming or lateral thinking foster innovative solutions to problems or challenges faced by individuals or groups. Number 9. Developing an understanding of one's own emotions as well as those of others allows for more meaningful conversations that create greater understanding and harmony in any situation. Number 10. Taking time for regular reflection allows one to look at life from multiple perspectives, which enables learning from experiences, growth, improved decision-making abilities, personal insights, inspiration, and clarity of purpose going forward in life. Finally, a bonus tip. As the best thinking person, you have shown a dedication to not only examining different viewpoints, but also finding creative solutions. You have proven your capacity to challenge yourself and others to explore the depths of our thought process. Congratulations for consistently engaging in meaningful dialogue and paving the way for greater insight into the power of thought.